Hey guys, today we are going to see detailed baby photography setup tutorial episode 2. We are using turquoise doorway backdrop and turquoise meadows floor drop. Then we are going to use a rustic bowl which is perfect for both newborn and sitter. Then we are using distressed steel candle stand set of 3. To match the candle stand, we are again using a side table. It's dual side in distressed steel. Then we are going to add pearl mala for details. Then we are going to use the music symbol and cute mini clock, and then we are going to add a candle LED candle set of 3. Then comes the fur. Then we are going to use the bougainvillea, and we are going to stick the bougainvillea using double side tape, so it will look pretty, or the overall set will look pretty. And then comes the baby doll with a tutu skirt which comes with the bonnet, and this is the final output. Hope you like it. Thank you.